Naval Ravikant said something quietly devastating. The specific knowledge you carry, the kind that grew from your particular life, your failures, your obsessions, your strange path, that knowledge cannot be taught. And because it cannot be taught, it cannot be replaced. Sit with that for a moment. The Bhagavad Gita opens on a battlefield. Arjuna, a warrior of extraordinary skill, drops his bow. Not from weakness, from confusion about who he is and what he is truly for. Krishna does not hand him a manual. He asks Arjuna to look inward, toward the nature that was always his. The teaching is not, learn what others know. It is, discover what only you can do. This is the ancient name for specific knowledge. Swadharma, your own path, your own nature. The Gita is clear. It is better to walk your own path imperfectly than to walk another's path perfectly. Not because effort doesn't matter, because a path that is not yours will never carry your full weight. Naval's insight lands in the same place, centuries later. He observed that the most valuable people in any field are not the ones who learned the most from textbooks. They are the ones who followed a thread so personal, so specific to their own curiosity and experience that no algorithm, no competitor, no system could replicate it. You cannot Google your way to becoming you. The knowledge that comes from living your exact life, your particular obsessions, the things you stayed up thinking about when no one was watching, that is the seed no one else can plant. And here is the stillness in it. Most of us spend our lives trying to become more like someone else, more credentialed, more conventional, more replaceable, without ever realizing it. 3 lessons live here. First, what you have lived is not a detour. It is the asset. Second, the skills that feel too personal to put on a resume are often the most powerful ones you own. Third, irreplaceability is not built by collecting what everyone else collects. It is built by going deeper into what only you can know. The practice is simple, though not easy. This week, write down 3 things you know from lived experience that you could not have learned from a course. Not credentials, not skills anyone could copy. The things that came from your specific path. Then ask, am I building on these or am I running from them? If this brought you a moment of stillness, subscribe and walk this path with us. The bow Arjuna dropped was not a failure. It was the moment he stopped pretending to be someone else's warrior and began to find his own.